Hey everybody, Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, back with another in our video series on contour sanding. Today, we're going to be looking specifically at the Mandrel options that we have available for the sand mops. We have a lot of options because, well, there's people use them in different ways and have different applications. So whether you're trying to mount it on a 1/2 inch or 5/8 shaft, or whether you're trying to mount it in some sort of a drill or drill press, we got an option that's right for you. So let's take a look. So just like every contour sanding application is not the same, nor is how it has to be mounted and used. So for instance, we offer this flat bottom for our 1x4 mops. This is a great alternative and reduces potential damage to any parts that may be nearby and still allow you to get in there tight to sand those contours. We offer a standard 2x6 mandrel as well as a 2x6 extra long. Now the nice thing is the 1x4 mops will still work on these and allow you to build the mop to suit your needs based on different washer or spacer application. Now let's say you're not running these in a drill press or some horizontal application and you need to chuck them up so that they're running vertically. Well, that's why we offer these motor options. We have a 1/2 inch shaft option where this mounts right to the 1/2 inch shaft of your motor. This is a keyless chuck so you can fully loosen or tighten this up as needed. Great way to mount these on the side and be able to quickly change those out for those applications where you need to run those vertically. Then we also offer two standard shaft operations with a 1/2 and a 5/8. Both have Allen screws to lock it down to the shaft and they're standard lengths to be able to fit normal mop applications. So no matter what your mounting need or what your sanding need, Klingspor's Woodworking Shop's got you covered. If you got any questions, give us a call today and see how we can help you with your contour sanding needs.
To learn more, visit us at woodworkingshop.com or any of your favorite social media sites. You can also contact us at 800-228-0000 and someone will be happy to help. Well, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos as we release them. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.